guys, John from Jet Homes. We're here today with an LG washing machine, Washtower, and the issue with this unit is when it operates, the door rattles back and forth like this. Normally, when the door starts rattling, it's your latch assembly, okay? We got a new latch assembly, and we're gonna go ahead right now, we're gonna change that out, okay? For this job, you will need a set of snap ring pliers, okay? If you do not have these pliers, it makes this job extremely difficult to do, and you'll need a screwdriver for this task. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is, we're gonna open up our washer. We've disconnected our power first for safety, okay? Just to make sure we also don't throw any codes. Now we're gonna take our snap ring pliers, we're gonna go down in the bottom, okay? And we are going to, okay, we're gonna line our pliers up and we are going to squeeze the plier. We're gonna open it up and we're gonna take our ring off. Okay, once our ring is off, we're gonna set it to the side. We're gonna put our pliers down because we don't need them anymore. And now we are going to open the gasket, okay? We're gonna pull it off, nice and easy. We're gonna slide it back a little bit and we're gonna gain access to this area right here. We're gonna take our screwdriver and we're gonna come in here and we're gonna unscrew this. Got one on the top and one on the bottom. And once you've unscrewed this, we're gonna take it out. And we're gonna now gain access to the plug, okay? Now, once you have your plug in hand, you're gonna push this little clip back here. Your plug is going to then disengage. You might have to wiggle it around a little bit, okay? Here's the old one. Okay, now what I normally like to do is when I get my parts, I like to make sure that I have the right part. I like to line up all my holes and make sure they're on the same on both parts. And I also like to make sure I have the same amount of pin connectors on each part as we do here, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna install the new part. Okay, we're gonna make sure it's clipped in properly. And then we're gonna go back, we're gonna pull our boot back again. And we're gonna slide our latch assembly in like so. We're gonna get our screws. And we're gonna get our screwdriver. Okay, that's one. Now we're gonna get our second screw. We're gonna get our second screw, and we're gonna now place that in the bottom one. And we're gonna tighten our top and make sure our bottom's tightened again. Then when we're done now, we're gonna take our boot and we're gonna make sure that it goes back in the track all the way around. Because if you don't make sure this goes in properly, you're only gonna have a flood. So we're gonna make sure it's in all the way around, nice and tight. We're gonna get our snap ring. We're gonna get our ring and we are going to get our pliers. Like I said, you can find these on Amazon. I will list the link below in the description. You're gonna put them in like so, and you're going to open the ring, and you're gonna make sure it's all the way in before you let that go. And make sure it's pushed back, and you're gonna check your rubber all the way around to make sure it's nice and tight and that you have no leaks. You're gonna then put the power back onto the unit, and you're gonna turn your power button on to make sure that you don't have any error codes. Now let's check the door if it closes properly. And now we have a nice tight fit. Okay, let's check our button. And as you can see, everything is lit up again, and we have no codes that exist. Okay, guys? Thanks again. If you liked this video today, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again.